the WhatsApp privacy settings that you must know. Stick around, watch this video to the end. Let's jump right in. So guys, these are the most advanced settings that will keep you safe from hackers, secure your account, and everything you need to know. So to do this setting, you need to log into your WhatsApp. Come down to your profile picture at the right hand side, click on it. Just follow the chroma key, come to your account. Choose account first. You go to two-step verification. Here you'll be able to put in the 6-digit word, the 6-digit number that will help your account to be safe. Create 6-digit PIN that you can remember. Create 6-digit PIN that you can remember. So any numbers they are putting here, you have to make sure to write down the number somewhere that you remember. Okay, you have to repeat the process again. You put the number first time and you put second time to verify your account. Yeah, turning on two-step authentication. So guys, it's done. As simple as that, it's done. So you can off it, you can change the PIN anytime you want. So that one is done. Go to passkey. Passkey will enable you to log in with your fingerprint or with your face ID. To enable you to log in with your fingerprint or with your face ID. So you see, create passkey. Create passkey. So you're going to create it. So you go to privacy settings. In this privacy checkup, you want to make the last person that see you when you were online. You click who can see your last seen. You can click on everyone, my contact. You choose accept this person, or you choose accept this person. And then you select the person. Last seen, then you select the person. So that one is done. You can click on nobody also. Then you come down to about my contact. Who can see my about your contact, like a phone number? Who can see it? You can choose nobody, my contact except my sister or my brother. You can choose anyone you want. For me, I'm choosing nobody. You come down to the link. Who can see your link? Who can see your WhatsApp link? Who can see your WhatsApp link? You're going to choose the person that you want to see. So that one is done. And you come down here. Who can add you to a group? You can choose everyone, my contact, or my contact except this one. You choose the person. My contact or my contact except this one. So you choose accept, you choose the number, you make done. Select the numbers that can add you to group, then you make done. Don't allow random people to be adding you up to groups. So we're moving forward. We're moving forward to allow camera effect. These are the other apps. Reduce privacy checkup. You go to privacy checkup. The privacy matters. Choose who can contact you. Choose who can contact you. This one. Choose And in the groups, you choose who can contact you in the groups. You can also make it silent, or you can block people. So these are the features that are here. So guys, just follow the chroma key as we are going. Guys, we are done with the settings. Check out my other videos, watch them as well, learn and be safe in WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my other video. Do well to subscribe and to like, share and comment.